So I'm on this country road here now, Wicklow. Look at the grass. Right in the middle of the road. Can you see that? I've never been on this road before. I have no idea where I'm going. And I hope I don't meet a big tractor or combine. But I love the adventure of it. It's great. Just love these roads. Love them. There's a car in front of me, so well, it's WW, so that's Wicklow registration, so they're local people. They obviously know this road. Don't worry, I'm not worried, I'll get out of here. I just love these spins, I love it. Right, I'm just after stopping here outside of Voca in County Wicklow. I seen a sign saying Parnell Drive, and I just happened to see this derelict church, and I think again the architecture of it is just beautiful, beautiful. Look at the stonework there, look at the arches, and they lovely. Look at the tower on top, isn't it gorgeous? Excellent, excellent. Look at the stonework. That's lovely. And the weeds growing on top of in between the stones. Don't know, I think is that jasmine? I'm not too sure now. Could be. Look at the nettles even grown. It's amazing the way they find a little niche in the rocks and grow. I just love investigating old buildings like this, I have to say. For me, it's like these buildings are here long before I ever existed. Didn't even exist. And other people that were here before the whole lot of us built these buildings, and they're still here, which is amazing, I think. Let me see, is there a way in here? Here's a gateway here. Okay. Right. Now. Okay. Stepways up. So, an old graveyard here, my friends. Look at it. Like, right, here's one for you, right? Would you stay here on your own, right beside that open tomb, if you want to call it, and if someone said to you, I'll give you $100,000 or €100,000 if you sleep here in this graveyard, beside this old ruin for one night on your own, would you do it? I don't think I would, even though I'm not into hocus pocus and stuff like that, do you know what I mean? But I don't think I'd do it. Anyway, look at this building. They're cool. More old headstones. Let me see the date in this. Is there a date in it? I can't see any date there. Nah. I can't read the date in that one at all. This one is from 1790. 1790. Wow. That one there was from 1855. And here's kind of an old, like, slated stone headstone here. That's old. 1781. Wow. 1781. See, I just love that. Look at the way the stone, see the sun's blocking there. Like, look at the stone, the way it's curved again. Someone cut that out way back. And then look at the stones forming the archway above the window, if you know what I mean. All the little, see them all going around? And then just stone the whole way up the building to the tower at the top. Amazing. Amazing. Another window. That looks lovely looking. Right, let's go inside here. Wow. So the inside was rounded. Like a round type tower on the inside. And this was obviously the church. Windows, 1, 2, 3, and a big one down here at the back. 2 more this side. 3 more this side. All overgrown. What's this one here? In memory, so that's going back to 1878, this headstone. Amazing. I'd love to know how old this building is, when it was built. It obviously had 2 floors here. Maybe it wasn't a church. Because look, you see just there, see the stonework there? You can tell that was part of the upper floor. So that was, ceiling level was just above the arch. And then you had the next level above it, which would make sense. So that would have been 2 floors this way. And yeah, look, you can see on this stone, well, yeah, I'd say it was two, maybe this was a church part here. Not too sure now. I can't see any part where there was 2 levels here, but maybe there was. But it was definitely 2 levels here. So 2 floors, right? And then obviously that arch then, I don't know how you would have got up to the top. Maybe there was a spiral staircase going up there. But it's cool, isn't it? Very impressive, all right. You know something, it wouldn't, well, it probably would cost a lot of money, but it would be great to do this up, put a roof on it and just clean it up and take out all this grass and take it all out of it and put a floor in it. It'd look well. Preserve it, like, you know, because that's just amazing. Amazing. I just thought that was worth checking out. I wonder why did they like put headstones on their flat here like this. That's it there. You see, look, there's a headstone there, and there's one there, and one here. And you can't make out who the people were. So that's why I think you're better off just getting cremated, like, you know, get cremated, and that's the end of it. And because, as I said to you, when the people that you knew in your life, when they're all gone, no one will ever know that you ever existed. So what's the point of it? What's the point in having, you know, being buried in the ground and having a headstone, and you can say, well, isn't it great that your loved ones can come, you know, and visit you, and you know, just as a place they can go, and you know, to help them overcome the grief, right? But personally, I say no. I just say no, don't. Just cremation, gone, and then just, you know, because I just don't see the point of it being buried. Anyway, on a more upbeat note, I'll head on again into sunshine somewhere, okay? Right, just after stopping here in a village again. I don't know if you'd even call it a village, called Wooden Bridge. The only thing I've seen here is a hotel and this petrol station and a shop. So I'm after getting this big cone here and a bottle of water. It's 5:30 in the evening here, and it's absolutely it's baking with the heat. My God, that's a big cone, isn't it? Strawberry on it too as well. Gorgeous. So I think I'm heading now towards Wicklow next. I asked in the shop there, they said continue on the road there and you'll end up in Wicklow. So I'm heading there now.